waiting around.
It's Saturday or Sunday. I was just watching church service, but just to give you a heads up of what I've done so far, I did sand this down, and then I've done some spackling on some cracks and holes, which are almost dry because when you put that on, it's pink. I also ran some caulk along the crack. Don't judge me because I already know I suck at caulking. I just do. I can't control the darn thing, but it still looks better than it did. I also attempted to caulk that really wide crack. I don't know if that's even going to be beneficial, but we're going to have to touch up paint anyway. And then I also spackled all the nail or screw holes from that. I caulked that corner, so that looks a lot better. Also the crack along here, which I see maybe I missed a spot. I also caulked a little bit there and again patched a hole. So I've gotten some stuff done. My brother's on his way over here shortly and we're gonna start hopefully working on the floors and the countertops because those are the big things that I definitely need help with. And then the rest of this, it'll just be little bits of sanding and painting once I have a little money for paint and quarter round in here. But that's all I'm going to share today. I'll share what the kitchen looks like when we're done. But again, I'm not going to film while he's here. And I didn't film me doing any of this because my brain is on getting the work done. So, but I'll give you an update at the end of the day when we're done doing what we do in here. Good Monday morning. We did not get the floors finished. Having some trouble with some of the tiles sticking down, but we did make some progress. And then, let me show you. So this is what it's gonna look like. You can see I kind of stop here. In the fridge, I haven't been able to put back because they keep moving. So I'm gonna have to get some stuff from Home Depot to try and stick those down a little better. And then the plan I'm thinking is to come back, sweep this area and clean it. I don't care if I use spray and paper towel, let it dry. And while that's happening, I think I might go ahead and prime this wall back here. And then once that's been primed and is sitting up, then I can go back to the floor. I don't want to spend all day because my body already hurts. I'm going to the chiropractor, but I do want to get as much of this as I can done. Like, it would be nice to get the bulk of this area done, even if I can't do all the little crevice stuff or under the island right now. But I would like to get as much as I can down to the door so I can put rugs back down in place in here. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. But I need to get ready to head out to the chiropractor here in a minute. And then I'm gonna go straight to Home Depot after so I can get what I need. And then we'll see. I got 3 in a partial box left of tiles, so I think we'll be okay, but I'm not 100%. So I'll see what I can get done and then we'll go from there if I have to order some more from Amazon.
For you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me.
I've already cleaned this up. We're gonna let this dry. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and prime this wall. So I can get the outlet cover on it and put my stuff back. I'm not gonna lie, I am dog tired and I just really wanna sit around and do nothing. But my aim is to at least get the floor done. I'm trying to do as much as I can. If I don't film, I'm sorry. It's just, I wanna get stuff done.
The city's not the place for us to be, 'cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
All right, as good as that's gonna get, and at least it's primer, it's not the paint. So from here, I'm gonna go transfer the laundry. It's in the dryer. We're gonna attempt to towel as much as I can. And again, don't judge me. I've never done this before, other than the little bit of practice I had yesterday. I'm doing my best, but at least the floor is clean and it's dry now.
I can't really take it anymore. The stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I'm feeling, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not.
I'm making progress. I want to finish that corner. I may hold off back there, and then I want to finish what I can do behind the fridge, because I may have to like cement these ones down that are loose so I can get my fridge put back. And then I think I may call it good there, at least for today. It's only 11:30, but I think after I get that one spot done and get the fridge back in place, I'm stopping. I'm tired. I need to get off my knees, give my body a break. And I still got to do some meal prep and stuff later today. So yeah, I'm gonna have to call it quits at some point. I think I'm gonna take a break, take the dog out while it's not raining. And then when I come in, I will attempt to finish this and get behind the fridge taken care of. So that way I can put the fridge back, and then we're gonna call it for the day. All right, not horrible. I did my best. I'm gonna need help with the rest of that. But I got the fridge put back in place, which is awesome. Yeah, it's looking a lot better in here. So yeah, I look crazy. I'm gonna clean up my mess. It's 1 o'clock and I'm stopping. So I think I'm gonna go out, do lunch, and then like take out the tools and stuff that I need to get out of the house and trash, so my kitchen's somewhat put back together. Eat lunch, and then that's it for today, other than stuff that requires me to sit, because I'm done doing any physical labor. I'm getting cramps in places I don't normally get cramps.
The place for us to be. I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town, this town. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend, I'm just waiting.
We're gonna do a quick job of taking care of the asparagus, because I want these to kind of marinate a little bit, and then I'm gonna air fry this later.
I'm just waiting because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm gonna sit down and edit for a while, and then probably prep dinner at that point. But I'll check in with you guys when I get there. There's my yummy dinner that I'm about to go enjoy, and then I'm gonna chill out for the rest of the night. I just gotta take the trash to the curb. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I did a little bit more house repairs. I'm glad we're nearing the end because I'm getting very tired. So as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.